So guys, able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Good. Okay. The next one is so trending report, guys. So trending report is the same as a matrix report. Okay. So trending report is same as matrix report, but only one thing: the trending reports can be defined by the specific time period profile. Okay, for the specific time period, the behavior is same as matrix report, guys. Trending report is behavior is same as matrix report. The only difference is the trending report should always created as a the specific time period. Okay, perfect. So this trending report primarily using for a year to year analysis. Year to year analysis. We can use the trending reports. Year to year analysis we can use trending report. For example, last 3 years business would like to see how many people got hired, how many people got terminated, how many people got promoted, correct? So these kind of analysis which you want to perform on yearly basis, we can use the trending report. It's not only year basis, you want to go by monthly basis, you want to go by quarterly basis. Yes, this trending report will help us. Okay, let me see. See, when you are creating the custom report, two things you need to remember in trending reports. Okay, RR underscore 128 underscore so trending report. So this is my report type trending. So whenever you are using this trending report, so Workday is strongly recommended to use a trended data source. Trended data source. So especially for HCM, we have a trended workers data source is available. Yes, you can use most of the trending reports, the trended data source as a trended workers. Why? Because this particular trended data source is having the existing integer functionalities. So you can directly selecting those functionalities to get your report output quickly and faster. Okay. So for example, you selected the trended workers data source. Click on OK. See, the trending report always defined by time period. Correct or not? So this time period act as a row grouping expression, and we have a column group by expression, and we have the summarization. This is same as matrix report here. This is same as matrix report. The only difference is instead of row grouping, we can use the time period profile definition, and using this specific time period, you can apply the row grouping expression. Okay. Yeah. So you can see multiple date options, guys. Created date time, hire day to, termination day to, event lookup day to. Okay, and also record date. Record date is nothing but effective date. Effective date when the transaction get affected. Okay, so created date, effective date is nothing but record date, and event lookup date, hire date, and termination date. So 99% of the cases we would like to go by record date, effective date. Okay. And you want to group by month or year or quarter. Which one you want to group by? Okay, my requirement is business would like to see last 3 years of employee hire count. The last 3 years of employee hire count. How can I get it? Is it a group by expression is year or month or group quarter?
Here, sir.
Yeah, year.
Yeah.
Let's go to in the record date, even effective date. You want to grouping by year. Now column grouping is not required, and you will get the count right. Count it won't work in the trended data source. It will take difficult process. Go to sum, and you can see all the integer fields. See managers count to FTE count to ending count to compensation ratios count to annual base pay sum. Correct or not? Promotion count to termination count to higher count to. You can see these all the integer fields, right? Correct or not? All these integer fields are so directly available under the data source, the trended data source if you select it. That's why I strongly recommended to use the trended report. The trending report should always select the trended data source. Okay, higher count. And you want to data source filter, take the default filter. It's okay. Okay. See, record date. This specific time period is mandatory for trending reports, guys. Yes, the time field must be record date, and you want to group by year. And now you are taking the sum of higher count. Now let's run this report. At the time of running, you can see these prompt values. These prompts are not proper order, correct or not? End date is coming first, start date is coming next. Is it really good? No, right?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, let me go to custom report and edit. Prompt option. Select this. See, these all will come by system default prompts. Start date, I want to give it to first, and then end date coming next. The start date, end date is mandatory prompt options, guys. See, na? Without these values, we cannot run this. So that is the specialty of the time period trending reports. You need to tell them what date to what date you are looking for. From 2020 onwards, so till date, you want to see the last 4 years of employee hire count. Sorry, I think it's coming 5 years. As per workday limitations of the trending report, up to 4 years of transactions we are able to get. Okay, the last 4 years of transactions only this trending report should support. If you are looking more than that, it is not possible as per the limitations of trending report. See, in 2021 we did not hire anyone, correct? In 2022 we hired 5 people. In 2023 we hired 5 people. In 2024 153 people got hired. Do you understand the concept? You can go to this output now. Let's go to cluster columns. Maybe that will help you. See, this is what the report look and feel. The last 4 years of employee hires. That's what year to year analysis should be possible in the trending report. Is it really possible these 4 years of transactions in matrix report? No, right? Matrix report should always get the only for one specific year count you can get, it, correct or not? In matrix report, is it really possible to get the last 4 years of transactions? No. That's why this report is specially designed for a year to year analysis. That's why this report is same as matrix report. The only difference is the time period. The trending report should always define the specific time period profile. Okay, which date you are looking for, which year you are looking for, something like this. For example, you are running this report on 2024 only. Only 1 year it will run. Correct or not? Online people. Only
Yes,
one
sir.
year it will come, right? In case I want to see quarterly, year hyphen quarter, how can I get it? Year hyphen quarter. You are grouping by year, right? You are grouping by year. Now, what is you are looking for? Year hyphen quarter. Or you are looking for any specific time period? You can create that, no issue. Create the time period and select that option. But here it is already there now, year hyphen quarter, correct? Each quarter in year, how many people got hired, you can get it. So 01/01/2024 to till date, you can see each quarter how many people see. In 2024 quarter one, 31 people got hired. In quarter two, 26. Quarter three, 14. Quarter four, 82 members are there. You can see the cluster columns. You can see how that the analysis will be happening on monthly basis or quarterly basis or annual basis. It's very important. You want to see the your company growth, whether it is increasing or decreasing, your company revenue, your company expenses, your company employee salaries, yeah, your company employee headcount. The company is really growing well, or the company is going for okay down. That's what it's completely the analysis. You want to compare year to year analysis. We can use the trending reports, which is same as matrix report. That's the only difference is time period profile. That's it. Okay, guys. Online people.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Hmm. In case I want to see the termination count from last 3 years, how many people got terminated? You can see both options. Go to output, chart and chart, column cluster. Okay, two things are there now, grouping expressions. Okay, each one I am splitting to multiple. You can see last 1 year, each quarter, how many people got hired and how many people got terminated. You can see 31 people got hired, one person got terminated. 26 people got hired, 11 people got terminated. That's why the business stakeholders, the high level management team always see the comparison, how the company is really doing well. Guys, getting a lot of background noise. Please mute yourself. Okay. If your surrounding is good, okay, it's okay. You can unmute. But your background is so much noisy. Please don't unmute, guys. Okay. Okay. Perfect. See now. So this is what the quality of reporting by designing these trending reports. Okay. The limitations of the trending report. These trending reports can support it up to the last 4 years of data. In case if you are looking for on or before, you can go by each year one matrix report and you can call those matrix report into composite report. So that's the possible option. Okay. In case my business would like to see last 10 years of data, the last 10 years of analysis, hire analysis, termination analysis, trending report won't support. Only 4 years it will support. Okay. If you are looking for on or before, then we can go by matrix reports with combination of composite. Okay, guys. If you see the view mode, as I said, the defined time period should act as a row grouping. Yes or no? This is the
Yes,
only
sir.
difference in the trending report. Okay, it acts as a row grouping. See, you selected year hyphen quarter, right? This act as a row grouping expression. Okay, in case if you go to edit mode, it won't display that. See, do you see the edit mode row grouping expression now? No. So in view mode, when you giving this as a group by expression, you're looking only for year. Yeah. So this act as a row grouping expression. That's what. If you click on OK, that view mode you can see what is the group by expression. See, like this. Okay. Last 2 years of hires and termination analysis. Like this, you can able to build the process. I will show you one real-time process. We did not created much trending reports, but one particular project we used for the trending report. Go to dashboards and go to headcount analytics, guys. Next, go to headcount analytics. This one. So this entire dashboard we created using the trending reports only. Okay, can I remove this one first one? Yeah, there are 5 reports you can see, right? All these 5 reports we are designing all for trending reports only. Headcount by year by gender, headcount by year by tenure experience, headcount by year. So each year, how many employees headcounts we have, how many full-time employees we have, TE, full-time equipment, and headcount by year, hires and promotion. Headcount by year, only terminations. So gender analysis, guys, this is the gender analysis. How these look and feel coming by tenure analysis, they are using the ending head count, then you will getting this head count. The gender they are using the column group by expression. Correct or not? See now? See, they are looking for ending head count. Every year, head count they are looking for. In that head count, they are also looking for gender analysis. Correct or not? Let
Yes,
me
sir.
show. So create custom report here. See, sorry, trending, right? They are looking for yearly wage, right? That's it. Recorded by year, and they're also looking column grouping as gender and the sum of head count, right? Ending head count, something ending head count. Okay, online people. This is what they are looking. This is the report they created. Yes or no? 01/01/2021 to till this year. Come like this. 493, 498, 503, 640, and see gender process. Okay. You go to these charts. By default, it is coming cluster columns. But in case you are looking for stocked columns, the look and feel like this. They selected the stocked columns. Correct or not? They selected the stocked columns. The output like this. They are looking for. Okay. So every year you can see the total employee head count and see their gender details as well. See, in 2021, 493 members are there. In 2022, 498 members are there. In 2023, 503 members are there. In 2024, 640 members are there. You can see their gender details as well. So this is the a gender analysis report, correct or not? Headcount by year and by gender analysis report. And this is the headcount by year by tenure, their experience. The number of years of experience is nothing but tenure, right? Their experience details. Headcount by hires and promotions, headcount by year details, headcount by terminations, the last 4 years of employee terminations headcount. I think if you go to this particular settings button, you can see these reports. How the reports are created. Go to this report and open and see how we design these reports. See, same thing. I use trended workers data source and default filter. Sorry, default data source filter. See, record date only we selected and grouping by year, and then column group by gender, sum of ending headcount. That's it. You go to prompt options, you adjust at the order, and then these remaining prompts are not able to, are not required. You just mark it as do not prompt at runtime. But for the first two things are mandatory one. That is why we are passing some default values at runtime. Last day of this month. The last day of this month means 31st of December. Correct or not? Online people. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
First
Yes,
day
sir.
of the month, 3 years ago. First day of the month, 1st of January. Correct or not? 3 years ago means 2021. Okay, I will show you how it will go. And you provided the default values, and you also saying is do not prompt at runtime. In case if you run this report, you won't get the prompt values. Correct or not? You get directly output. So this is the facet filter options, guys. We'll show you the facet filter options where we can define. Go to advanced property. Here they define the facet filter options. Okay. We'll discuss this one. Don't worry. The facet filter options we'll discuss. Don't worry. So when you run this report, do you see any prompt options? No. However, the dates are prompting last 4 years. You are getting the data. Let's do one thing for your easy understanding. Go to custom report and edit. Go to prompt options. Make it visible. Na? Please unselect these two checkboxes. Do not prompt at runtime. Last day of this month means 30th, 31st of December as per India time. In case if it is US, 30th of November, right? First day of the month, it means 1st of January, 3 years ago. So 2024, 3 years ago means 2021. 2021 first day of the month means 1st of January. Let's see how it will come. See, as per US, we are still in the 30th of November, correct or not? Online people. The last day of the month means we are still in November only as per year's time. And see, 3 years ago means, okay, same date, 3 years ago means 2021. Sorry. The time series end date, 3 years ago, right? It means 1st of November 2021. That's the only thing we are added additionally. See now? Go to prompt option. We added last day of this month. Last day of this month is a delivered field. You will always get the last date of this month. What about the next one? First day of the month, 3 years ago. This is also a delivered field from the today's date. Whatever the first day of the month, 3 years ago means for this month, what is the first day as per US? First day is November. 3 years ago means 2021. That's what the delivered field. You can see the description. You will get everything. So current date of month, first day. It means November 1st, 3 years ago, 2021. That's what they selected and they provided these values at runtime, correct? And they selected as this checkbox. Is it really difficult to build these kind of report logics?
No, sir.
Output, you can see that chart and table. As I said, column stock they selected, and see sharing option they provided these all the options we are sharing, and see advanced report. There is no web service option, so it is not possible to call the integrations. Okay, I think so. This will really helpful for you. Go to dashboards, headcount analytics dashboards. Go to the headcount analytics page. This one. Here you can see 5 real-time reports which we created. All we are using one by one. Just go to the settings button. You can see the list of all the reports. You can see how the terminations, how the hires and promotions, by gender details or tenure reports. You know, same thing. It's very simple. Record date, grouping by year, and we want to see the termination count. That's it. The prompt options we passing these value last 4 years of transactions. In case last 3 years means your business only looking for 3 years means here you can select the first day of the calendar year from 2 years ago, correct? There is one more field will be available. You can select those 2 years ago report, okay? Perfect. So this is a trending report, guys. Let's move to the online people. Anyone have any doubts regarding these trending reports?
Sir, one doubt. It's regarding the data source. Like we always select the data source related to the trended worker like that, or we can select those all active and terminator also.
System should allow remaining data sources also, but these trended reports are Workday strongly recommended to use a trended data source. 99% of your use case can be managing by matrix report only. The only you are looking for a year-to-year comparison analysis, we can use the trending reports. Especially the trending reports, always you are looking, HCM data is nothing but always be a worker data, correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Employees data, HCM data, HR data is nothing but employee data. So I think trended workers data source is really enough to get all your queries. Okay, that's what as per my understand. As of now, in
Mm.
my system, we mostly build only 5 to 6 trending reports only till so far we design. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir. Thank you.
this is same as matrix report. If you could observe it, see na? Drill down is also
Yes, sir.
drill down is also same. Filters also same. Prompt is also same. Output, share, advanced, everything should be same as your matrix reports. Go to dashboards. That is why spend some time here and understand what we design here, what is requirement. You go to settings button. See, you go to gender report. See, in the gender report, they tell very clearly they want to see a different view by options. I added those view by option details, correct? And business
Yes, sir.
report said some detailed information. I just added those detailed data as well, which is same as matrix report, nothing. The only difference is this is the time period is mandatory. Without time period, you cannot create the trending reports. And this particular time period should act as the row grouping expression your trending report, which is remaining will be same as matrix report. One other difference is yes, the trending report should always select the trended data source can get easily done by the business requirement because the trended data source is having the is so much integer functionalities so that you can use those functionalities directly to build the business logics, okay, the simplest way and easiest way. Okay,
Okay, sir. Sir, is there any use case we have created for the calculation in the summarization field?
nothing. We don't have much summarization calculations here. That's only
Okay.
because you need to combine the employee and employer cost. That is why we use it in the benefits, the composite report areas. Okay, but here
Okay.
there is no such kind of requirement we can apply for calculations come together. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, perfect. So let's move to the last report type in Workday. So that's the search report. What is the next one is the search report.
Search report.
Yeah. So guys, remaining two reports, I'm not going to take live sessions. If anyone wants to those two reports, let me know. I'm going to share the recorded sessions. That's the unbox and transposed. Okay. And those two reports we are not using so many areas. And those reports predominantly using at the time of implementation. When the data is transferring from one system to another system, you want to do some kind of comparisons. Only those cases we were using those reports. Okay. But anyway, if you want to, if you people want to learn something about these two report types also, don't worry. So we'll share the recorded sessions. Okay, but don't spend so much time there. Okay, let's move to the last report type in Workday. It's nothing but a search report. I think you understand the report type definition itself. You have some definition, correct or not? Search report. That meaning itself you understand. The report name, correct? What is the report type name? Itself you have some definition. Okay. The report output, the report output, the report output you will okay, once the report output generated, that report output should available with so many search options. With so many search options is nothing but a search report. Okay. The report output will be available. Report output. Report output is available with okay, so many search options. Okay. We can call it as search report. Simple definition, nothing so much difficult. Okay. The report output is available so many such options. Okay, the output should available with so many such options. It's nothing but a such report. It's nothing but a such report. For example, you can create one custom report. Create custom report. RR underscore 128 underscore such report. See report type as such, correct? Online people.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So job posting or a job posting anchor, you can select anything, it's fine. Okay. So job posting or a job posting anchor, anything should be fine. Click on OK. The look and feel like this. The look and feel like this. Here we can see search result. You add that first field. Okay. Let's add anything. What is a job requisition? Huh? What was a job requisition? Huh? Okay, job posting. Job posting site. Okay. Okay, skills, remove that. Multi-instance fields are not allowing. Okay. Can I save this report? Job requisition, job posting site, job posting start date, what is the location, job description. I'm getting one error message, right? Read the error message, you will get that answer. The first row in the search result grid is used to identify the search result instance. So the user can perform the related actions. What is that? It must be instance field contains primary result field in the options tab. See, in the search result, first row has a grid instance field. Correct or not? The first row in the search result grid is used to identify the instance field. So what you will do, you need to select the primary result field for the first field. Yes or no? What they are saying in your search result, first row is a instance field. So always must be a primary result field. That's what system is very clearly saying. I'm trying to click on OK. The output will be coming like this, guys. The output should be coming like this. Okay. Okay, it's still running. I don't. Something is wrong. Guys, 1 minute. Okay, I don't know, guys. I just relog in again. Okay. Okay, let me run this report. Yeah, we are able to run this. The search report look and feel like this, guys. The search report look and feel like this. Okay. Whatever the first field you selected as a primary result field, so that is coming as a hyperlink, correct or not? So that field is coming as a hyperlink, that primary result field, correct or not? And remaining fields are coming, 1, 2, 3, 4 fields are coming next to hyperlink, and every field it is coming like this, and it is concatenated with the a single pipe delimiter, correct or not? Online people, do you see the look and feel of, see, this job is posted internal, this job is posted external, this job is posted Moonster, correct? That is why this job requisition is coming 3 times. You open this job requisition, you can see this job is posted 3 places. Go to job posting, this job is software engineer job is open, this job is posted 3 locations, internally posted and external career sites is posted and Moonster also posted. That is why it is also coming 3 areas it is posted, correct or not?
Yes.
Yeah, perfect. See, now overall I can see 493 result. The search report how the look and feel. The search report how the look and feel. When you are creating any search report, you always select the fields under search result. The first field must be primary result field. This will come as a hyperlink, and remaining all fields comes under next to the primary result field. Okay, with the combination of single pipe delimiter concatenation. See, this is for job posting, where it is posting, and what date it is posted, and what location it is posted. Correct or not? Yeah. And this search report speciality is it should be available for search result. For example, you are looking for software engineer positions. How many software engineer positions are matching? 23. Do you see any Java is matching? Okay, 6 positions are matching Java. Hope you understand. Finance, how many details are matching finance? 24. So this will help you. You can see the complete search result. If you want to go by specific search keywords, you can use the search report. Correct or not? Yeah. So this is the main search option. You can see advanced search option. Do you see any advanced search options here? No, right? So how can I do
No,
that?
sir.
How can I get the advanced search? Go to custom report and edit. Go to advanced property. There you can see the facet filters. This facet filter options will be using as a advanced search options. For example, you want to go by country. You want to view the location country. You want to go by skill set. You want to go by hiring manager. You want to go by location. You want to go by cost center. Okay. or else the job family, or you want to go by compensation, compensation grade or something. Okay, like this. So you added the 6 additional options at the facet filter, correct? And these 6 options should be available as a additional search keywords, correct or not? Advanced search options, correct or not? You can see whatever keywords you are looking here. You can see any specific skill set. You see how many HR jobs are available? 9, like this. Locations, country. You can see United Kingdom, how many jobs are available? 23. In India, how many jobs are available? 39, correct or not? So it means these are the additional search keywords. This is a primary search. You can do whatever you want search here. In case if you want to go by additional search, we can use the additional search options with the help of facet filter options, guys. Anybody understand? Anybody can remember? And these reports are using for recruitment module. Correct or not? These reports predominantly using for recruitment module. For example, every company have the career site portals. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's take the Rakuten is a Japanese media technologies company. Okay. This is a Rakuten. Rakuten is a company which is Japanese media technologies company. Okay. Do you see Rakuten career site portal at company portal level? Do you see the career portal? Yeah, you can
Yes,
see the
sir.
career portal. Correct or not? You can see
Yes, sir.
different jobs which are open. You can see the jobs related to the business, job related to the engineering, job related to the corporate. You click on what jobs you are looking for. You can see jobs which are available at the corporate level. You can see those corporate jobs. If you click on this link at the external career sites, it is routed to Workday, right? Yes or no? You can see all the positions. 499 jobs are there. If you click on any job, that will connect it to your Workday, correct or not? Rakuten Workday, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's what. See, you can see this is the you are looking for a software engineer. See, the software engineer matching 92 positions are there. Similarly, if you run, all it will run. You want to go by skill set? Any Python? How many Python jobs are available?
12.
12. Any? How many PHP jobs are available? How many Java jobs? How many Java positions are available?
28.
C++, C language. See, a different skill set based jobs are available. They can go by whatever their search prefix options. They want to go by specific keyword search options. They want to go by the specific advanced search uh, options which are available. That's what we're totally flexible. And this is the search report only. This is Workday search report only. They connected to the company career sites. Hope you understand, guys. This is for Rakuten. Let's go to Tyson Foods. Tyson Food is a American food and restaurant based company. Correct or not? Their main
Yes, sir.
business is a food and restaurant based company. But every company should have the careers, jobs, right? See, this is a Tyson Food company. You can see what their products, what brands they're available. You can see get it everything here. But if you click on the careers, this is the company career sites. Correct or not? You click on the see all the jobs. Yes, it is connected to your search report. See, my workday jobs. See all your search reports. 449 jobs are there. You want to go by location, time type, step, and more. See, na? You are looking for software engineer. You can see how many jobs are there for software engineers. 49 jobs are there. So if you click on any job, that will connect it to Workday only. See na? It's Workday. Tyson put Workday. Hope you understand, guys. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
especially
Yes,
for the
sir.
search reports are, this is the task name, guys. Create external career sites. See, create external career site is the setup. We already created those career sites. You can see. We already created those career sites global. Okay. See now, external career sites. So this is the career site configuration. What languages this career sites can support it. Okay. And what is the URL will be posted your job to the career sites. You can see quick keys, branding images. Okay. And how the job alerts and job details. How they are getting the job details, guys? How your career site is getting the job details? Using the,
Okay, by this custom report.
Find custom job.
yeah, this report is a search report. See na? It's a search report or not?
Yes,
And
sir.
this, and we are applying the filter. The only jobs which are posted external, okay, only external. See na? With the data source itself, they applied the external approved job postings. It means this report should get only for external posting job details. And these details are automatically reflected to your career sites. Only these area we are using the search report, guys. Apart from that, we never used the search reports in any way. Only for the recruitment reports, business would like to see our third-party system means outside candidates are looking the job details with the different search by options. We can use a search report. Okay, it's very simple. You go to the search report. Please select the report type as a search. You selected the specific data source and make sure you can select all the fields. Please make sure select the first field as a primary result field. It's mandatory. And remaining short options, filter options, prompt to output to share, advanced, same as advanced report. And do you see the web service option is available for such report, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It means such report is possible to call the integrations. Only two reports are possible to call the integrations, guys. One is for advanced report and second one is for a search report.
Such report.
Perfect. Remaining reports are not possible to call the integrations. Why? Because that web service option is not available. Okay. Align people. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. This is the search report and where you can see all the custom reports. This is the task name, all custom reports. This is my task name. You can see the list of all customs are created so far in the system. 7,248 created because it's a test environment, right? So many people are creating those reports. You can go by report types, advanced reports, how many created, composite, how many created, matrix, how many created, search, simple, transpose, trending, and box. You want to see more details about the search reports, click select the search report. Let's see how many overall 67 search reports created so far. And this is the contingent worker career. Okay, Equi find the workers careers, enterprise finder. See, these are all the different reports created by. If you create any report by Logan McNeil, these are all the real time reports what we created. Okay, these are all the agencies jobs. Find agency jobs. Okay, this is most of the such reports created for recruitment process. Okay, okay. In case if you are looking something, okay, you can always go by it. It includes both HR and finance report. You are interested to take some more additional examples. This is a place you people can focus some time to understand what reports we created. You can see the report, at least the output. You can get some knowledge. Okay, what fields we selected, what data source we selected, what filter options we selected, what prompt options we selected, what output type we selected, what all, okay, who with whom we share this report access, and what additional properties, advanced property we selected. You can just go through a couple of reports to get more understand. Okay,
Yes, sir.
guys, dashboard is a 10 to 15-minute session. Okay, I'm going to share the record just 15 minutes. Okay, so you created the multiple reports, right? How you will call those reports into dashboards? It's just 10 minutes topic. Okay, I'm going to share the recorded session for this. Okay, so please go through this and complete it, guys. And tomorrow we will take the a new topic, calculated fees. Okay, online people, anyone have any doubts?